This project focuses on the production of ethyl. It is one of the most well production chemical compounds on the industrial level, since it is one of the most. Will use organic solvent. It can be done chemical and or biological. For this project, it will be carried on in a chemical way. As a fine result, ethyl production has some main characteristics. It is a colors, less wealth, a fruit odor, it out. Resemble the small of ground ends is leaden tense waters. Its physical chemical characteristics has a boiling point of 77 degrees centigrade. A molecular weight of 8.18. It made use in lacquers, and arched fruit essence and fabricated clearness among others.
Hello, my name is Jennifer, and I'm going to talk to you about the chemical production process of ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate is carried out by means of reactive distillation, which occur in parallel between the chemical reaction and the separation of product. Initially, the two raw materials, acetic acid and ethanol, are conditioned in heat exchanger at the reaction temperature to enter a reactive distillation tower using conventional technology, where the reaction is catalyzed by means of a resin of ion exchange. Secondly, the distillate stream is taken to a decanter where two phases are separated, one in which the water leaves and that of the ethanol that enters the decanter, aqueous phase, and another phase is which the ethyl acetate is obtained together with a minimum percentage of ethanol. The aqueous phase leaves the system, while the phase containing the product is divided into flows. One that enters the tower and consists of recycling the distillation system, and the other that is the product stream obtained as such. After this step, ethyl acetate is obtained with a purity of normally 96 mole taint.
Hello, my name is Jefferson Lopez. I am going to tell about process of production ethyl acetate. In the following block diagram, the unit operation that make up the production process are discussed of ethyl acetate with their respective entry and exit. To start, we have two inputs to the process: ethyl and acetic acid. These two fluids enter an exchanger of heat going to the first operations: distillation operations, separations to the volatile substance, B evaporations. Followed by this we pass our mix to the second operation, decantation operation, with the object of pull apart or break up aqueous phase, water and ethanol of the product phase, ethyl acetate and ethanol, which we can recycle add product for get more concentrate. In the next diagram, we will announce the themes necessary for the production process of ethyl acetate. As mentioned above, we are going to have two operations unitary for which we will use the following equipment. For the first operation, distillation operation, we will use a simple distillation tower. which we will feed with ethanol and ethyl acetate. In the next 4-second operation, decantation operation, we will add the count. What we feel for mix obtained previous process, thus generating the aqueous phase and product phase to the have mentioned in the previous diagram.
Good morning, my name is Catherine Mejia, and I am going to explain about the sale at product operation.
Market. Ethyl acetate is one of the most produced chemical compounds at an industrial level since it is one of the most widely used organic solvents. Nowadays, most of the ethyl acetate production facilities are concentrated in the Asia-Pacific region, which is also the region with the highest chemization of this is the world, mainly direct growth from the its market in China. Keep in mind that the ethyl acetate market is booming, universal solvent with very pleasant characteristics of the management of the human being. National production. In 2013, the national production reached 3,000 tons. It should be noted that sucrose is one of the businesses that prudence it in greater quantity. Furthermore, the of production in 2018 didn't show any variation compared to the previous year, while imports increased by 37.48% and export expanded by 8.71%. Last night, national consumption appealed for by 44.03%. Product sales. Sales of this product are made mainly in hardware stores, pharmacy, and authorized distribution centers.
Waste treatment. The main waste generated within the chemical production process is ethanol, and it can be used as a fuel. It can be mixed in small quantities with gasoline. This resulting mixture has the name of gasohol. It helps oxygenate gasoline and can also aid fuel cells. Ethanol can also be used to make industrial alcohol in a low concentration. The formation of two phases in the process due to the esterification reaction involves the formation of water, which is not compatible with the acetate, so their phases are deformed. A lower one were acetic acid, sulfuric acid, and alcohol.
With offer dyes is product widely used in industry because it's used in most commercial of most used merchandise sites. Without it liquid, many products would not be as efficient like today.